you're doing well. I am Diego the dog. Today we're going to learn a skill called the scissors, okay? We're going to break it down to 5 simple steps for you all to learn. So start off by step 1 where we run on the spot. Now moving on to step 2, okay, one of our feet at the side of the ball. Now let's do step 1 and 2 together. So step 1 and step 2. Good. Now moving on to step 3, we're going to clip our right heel with our left heel and go round the ball. Now let's do step 1, 2 and 3 together. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Now step 4, we're going to have a wee shoulder drop. So like we're going one way, we're then going to go the other way. Let's do step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. See, my shoulders dropped. And moving on to step 5, we're going to accelerate away in a diagonal. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a couple more. So step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. This one I'm going to speed it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4,